Hello everyone, you are welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to design a website using AI, using an artificial intelligence, using one of the powerful artificial intelligence that we have. This beautiful website was designed by using an AI. I didn't write any single line of coding. Okay, this is about, it was designed by the AI. This beautiful practice area too was designed by AI. I didn't write any single line of code. Okay, what I mean, I didn't write this because to design a website you need a knowledge in HTML. You have to know something about CSS, you have to know something about JavaScript, and so on and so forth. But for me, even though I have some fair idea about how to use the CSS and HTML and so on and so forth to design a website, but guys, this website that I've designed over here, I didn't write any code myself. I just used this ChatGPT, and it's an artificial intelligence that can be used to do so many stuff. So in this video, what I'm going to teach you is I'm going to teach you how to use it to design a website, or how to use that artificial intelligence to do so many stuff. Okay, you can use it to design database in Excel, you can use it to design database in Access, you can use it to design website, anything that you want to do. Okay, so if you want to learn more about it, then stay tuned to my channel, and if you have not subscribed, I want you to subscribe to the channel so that when I upload that video as to how to use it, you'll be able to learn something from it. So in the upcoming video, this is what we'll be doing. I'm going to show you how to design this beautiful website without coding. If you don't have any knowledge in coding, my friend, don't worry. In this era of technology, everything is possible. It's a matter of you willing to learn. Okay, so stay tuned and comment on my videos, share it for me, and please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe for me. Okay, so that you have so many educative videos on this channel. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon, where you'll be designing this beautiful website using AI, which is ChatGPT. Okay, bye bye.